See? Want to take a look at here? I actually took this in. Gentleman was an electrician that he traded it in just because he wanted to get one of the new F-150 trimmers. And the parts are on order. It has not gone through detail, so forgive me there, but needs a good vacuuming. Inside here. It does have an aftermarket exhaust. I'm sure you can hear that, but there's your mileage for you there. We'll have a dual-way climate control. Box lighting, hill descent. It has the IntelliLink, so you'll be able to hook your phone to it and all that jazz. It is four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive as well. I hate showing it when it hasn't been through detail, but the did want you to be able to take a look at, or get a glimpse at what you were trying to take a look at here. So that's what she looks like. Appreciate it. This is Andrew with Victory Ford. My number is 913-742-0620. If you're interested, give me a call. Thank you.